Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showcasing you how to add the fingerprint to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's begin the video. First, open up your settings, scroll down towards the security and feature, and then you will find out the biometrics. It gives you two options, face recognition and fingerprint. Select the fingerprint. It shows a glance at the features of the fingerprint scanner on this device. A quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. Your fingerprint data is secured by Knox. Here it says for your security, you need to enter your pattern, PIN or password from time to time as a backup to your biometrics. Tap continue and set secure locks first. For added security, before you can add your fingerprint, you need to set a secure lock screen. It can be PIN, password or pattern. Let me select pattern. Draw the pattern you like. Tap continue. Redraw it once again and tap confirm. Now it is the time to add your fingerprint. Tap register. Now locate the fingerprint sensor on the phone. It has in-display fingerprint scanner. You can find it on your screen somewhere here. Next, place your finger on the sensor and lift it. When the percentage goes up, the percentage here starts moving. Repeat it until you finish the complete scanning, and you need to change the position of your finger when prompted to cover the entire finger. Once finished, you get this message fingerprint added. You can add another finger by tapping add. You can add up to 5 fingerprints. You can add this later as well. Tap done to finish adding fingerprints. Now the setup is complete. Okay, let's test it. Let's go to lock screen and turn off the screen. Place the finger on the sensor and you can identify with this symbol. Let me try with another finger, which I haven't added. It gives some haptic feedback but not unlocking. So guys, that is it in this particular video for adding the fingerprints to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I hope that this video has helped you out. If you have any feedback or question, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.